The magical piggy bank.
Once upon a time, a husband and wife lived in a land far, far away. In this land, no one else lived except for them. They chose this place because they wanted a happy and peaceful life, so they decided to leave the bustling cities behind. One day, Maggie, the wife, decided to clean the house while her husband, Jayson, was busy with his small business. Maggie loved decorating their home, always finding new ways to make it beautiful. As she was cleaning, she stumbled upon an old, dusty piggy bank hidden deep inside a wooden chest in the attic. It was no ordinary piggy bank. It shimmered with a strange glow. Curious, she picked it up and gave it a gentle shake. To her surprise, a tiny voice spoke from inside. "Thank you for finding me. I am a magical piggy bank. If you treat me with kindness, I will bring you endless fortune." Maggie was startled but excited. She carefully wiped off the dust and placed the piggy bank on their dining table, eagerly waiting for Jayson to return. When Jayson came home, Maggie excitedly showed him the piggy bank and told him about the voice. Jayson chuckled, thinking it was just Maggie's imagination. However, to humor her, he agreed to put a single coin inside. The next morning, they woke up to find the piggy bank overflowing with gold coins. Their eyes widened in disbelief. From that day on, they made sure to treat the piggy bank with love and respect. They never took more than they needed and always used their newfound wealth to help others. But one day, a greedy traveler passing by noticed their sudden prosperity and decided to steal the piggy bank. As soon as he grabbed it and tried to run, the piggy bank let out a loud and magical roar, sending him flying backward. Terrified, the traveler ran away and never returned. Maggie and Jayson realized that their happiness wasn't just about gold. It was about kindness, love, and the peaceful life they had chosen. They continued to cherish their magical piggy bank, not for its gold, but for the valuable lesson it had taught them. And so, they lived happily ever after in their peaceful home, treasuring their magical piggy bank and the beautiful life they had built together.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.